the characteristics of this promotion? When you are promoting, what are the things that should guide you? Because there's need to promote, and there are different ways to promote. There are different options to promote. If you don't, either you are doing commodity, cashew, ginger, gum arabic, sesame seed, or you are doing manufactured goods. I do Indomie, I do Gary, I do pap, or you are doing solid minerals, lithium, lead, zinc. If that's the product you are doing, for you to be known that you can do it, you have to tell the buyer you can do it. You have to show the buyer must know you exist, and that's the whole essence of promotion. Promotion activity involves the communication of the value that the product delivers to the potential buyer in the export market. A business that is deemed ready to go global must be willing and able to incur the cost of promotion in the export market, including the cost of attending international trade shows and exhibition in participating in an exhibition. This is necessary because trade fair create marketing platform and unique opportunity to meet potential buyer and product in the export market. Although businesses must be willing and able to incur the cost to register. Also, willing to incur the cost and register on Alibaba.com, globalbuyer.com, TradeGeek.com. There's so many platforms online that you can choose to go and register to say, okay, I want to supply this product. And most of the time, people that are looking, that want to buy, are also going to see you there if you list your product. Some will send you notification when they see that you have listed your product on those platforms. In addition, the business should be willing and able to incur the cost of promotion on the most appropriate social media platforms. Some are region specific. They are better off for Asia. Some are better off for Europe. Some are better off for America. So you do your investigation to be able to know who are the major buyers on that platform. In order to be effective in the promotion activity, the business must be willing and able to incur the cost of obtaining export market intelligence report in order to have a good understanding of the characteristics of most appropriate market segment and how to reach them. So the first thing is, if I'm going to export a particular product, I want to export this. See, if I want to export this water, because Nigerians are exporting water, people export bottled water to Niger. Yes. If you go to Niger, you see bottled water labeled in French. So if you get to Kano, see bottled water labeled in French, because Nigeria is exporting water to Niger and to other countries. So people export different things that have been exported. The first thing is for me to identify, okay, which market buy this product? Who are those that buy it in that market? And how do I reach those people? So I need to identify which market buy this product, which country. And when you check it, sometimes you see a lot of countries that buy. Sometimes you now have to check who are the people in that country that buy and why did they buy? The people that buy, sometimes they might be in a particular location. Why? Because that's where this product is used. So for example, let's say I'm exporting shea butter and I'm targeting cosmetic factory. The cosmetic factory might be in a particular location in the country that's where most of them are. That means if I'm going to promote online, I need to target market that region. Am I making sense? I need to target market so I can do, okay, we are currently trying to solve a problem. We realize that for you to be able to effectively promote the export market, you need representative. And I will get there very soon. Representative. Now, what Asian have gotten right is that they have fantastic synergy with those at home and abroad. Now, they compete at home and collaborate abroad. But Nigerians, we compete at home and compete abroad. So we are trying to see how do we get Nigerians to begin to see opportunity in representing business at home and helping them reach out to buyers to also earn a commission. So we started doing advert online. And we advertised to Nigerians in UK, Nigerians in US, Nigeria, Canada, and we got close to 100 people registering on Facebook. Now, I'm using that example to let you know that you can actually target market a group of people. So, for example, if I want to sell, if you are doing African food, if you go to Peckham in the UK, it's a very long street that is full of different. Now, I can target market Peckham only, such that majority of people that will see my ad will be Peckham. And if my product is attractive enough, they will click on it. And I can do it in a way that they will be chatting me directly on WhatsApp. That when they click on it, come to my WhatsApp. And I can begin to engage them. Before you know it, I can begin. So the technology has made it so easy for us to. It will cost some money. Maybe 50 to 100K within a week. You will get, I'm sure within a week you will get if you do it on Instagram. Facebook, Instagram work on, I don't know, I think because of the law in EU, Facebook is not, it will not work, but Instagram is working. I'm talking about UK now. But if it's US, North America, other places, both of them will work. Now, what this will do is, if you do this now, that means they will chat to you, not get their contact detail. Immediately you get their contact detail, it's unwise for you to reach out to them directly. So, in order to be effective in promotion activity, business must be willing and able to incur the cost of obtaining export market intelligence. obtaining export market intelligence report in order to have a good understanding of the characteristics of most appropriate market segment and how to reach them. Some of the pillars of market segmentation to be considered for promotional activity include geographic, demographic, psychographic characteristics, and behavioral bias behavior. The component of geographic pillar of segmentation in export market include the country with high demand for the product, the city within the country that buy the product, the density of the city, the predominant language in the city, and the climate of the city, the land area covered by the city, and population. Because sometimes the climate might mean you will sell at a particular time, and you will sell at a particular time. If you are doing fashion, for example, you know your goods will not sell very well during summer, during winter, but you're okay during summer. Now, so I will now tell you those that are doing fashion, why don't you package those African fabrics, pad it so they can wear it during winter? Because we want to look African. So why can't you adjust it in a way that they can still wear it just the way they wear the kind of clothes they wear, because they have stuff that keep them warm. The component of psychographic pillar of segmentation in export markets should include lifestyle, personality of target customer, their attitude and values, activity, interest, and opinion. The beauty is that you will find this on Facebook. If you are marketing on Facebook, you will be able to get this. That's why you must know who are your target market. Who exactly are you trying to sell to? The component of the behavior pillar of segmentation should also include what the buyer buys, the benefit they buy. For example, I export kulikuli to the UK. We buy kulikuli, African will buy kulikuli for snacks. Asian buy it to put in their soup. It's a condiment in the soup, particularly the broken one, or they break it and put it in their soup. Now, so you can see the same product, right? But different uses. Why they buy the product, how they buy the product, when they buy the product, and where they buy the product. Having a good understanding of the best strategy to be adopted for promotion in target market is a very important sign that a business is ready to go global. A business that failed in this has definitely fallen short of one of the major criteria of readiness of a business that wants to export. The fact that I must be able to know who is my customer.